Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this dance filter on TikTok. So with this dance filter, you can basically add any photo and you can basically make it dance like this. So let me show you how to get this filter. So for this, you need TikTok and you need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor, which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go ahead and open TikTok. In TikTok, you're searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for that account. Now stay till the end of this video as that filter will appear right here. So for now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. Go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. So here, this is the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. And then go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. Now go ahead and add a photo of yourself. You need to be careful though. Body needs to be in the center and it needs to be a full body from up and down. So let's go ahead and find that. Then tap on Next. Now you want to let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. And as you can see, the effect has been applied. So this was a still picture and then we have made the person move in the photo. So once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on Next. You can go ahead and add your captions. You can go ahead and add your cover page. And then go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, you need to go ahead and open up TikTok and go to this profile here, Test the Simple Dad. And here in the video section, you'll see this dance filter. So tap on this, then tap on CapCut, try this template. From here, you can go ahead and use this template. So there you go, guys. That is how to get the dance filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.